Welcome back. Now, there are no significant changes in the atmosphere and the weather patterns across the Caribbean this evening. We still have high pressure, we still have strong winds, we still have a thin layer of dust expected to be intruding into the center of the basin as we start next week. Scattered mid to upper level clouds across the area, isolated thunderstorms across Cuba, moisture still being piled up across the western portion of the Caribbean basin. The forecast for tonight is for generally fair skies. We expect haze as well. Temperatures are dropping to 27 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 26 in Montego Bay. Now there are 10 knot winds, so we don't have much of a land breeze across the area for tonight, and the winds are out of the east on both coasts. In the morning tomorrow, expected to be partly cloudy to generally sunny, with haze also persisting, and then in the afternoon it's partly cloudy and hazy across most of the area. Temperatures 35 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 34 degrees Celsius for Montego Bay. Now, more of the wind and haze is expected across the area tomorrow. That's Morant Bay through to Mandeville, and in the southwest in Santa Cruz through to Negril. Also expect windy and hazy conditions for Lucy, Montego Bay and Falmouth. There's a likelihood of some shower activity across the area tomorrow, particularly in Brownstown, but it's generally sunny and hazy elsewhere in the northeast, from St. Anne's Bay through to Ocho Rios, Port Marie and Port Antonio. Also in Golden Spring and Bog Walk, you can expect windy and hazy conditions. Also across the west in Moco, Christiana, Grange Hill, as well as Duncans and Cave Valley. On Monday and Tuesday, expect hazy conditions across the area. Similar conditions likely on Wednesday. That's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. But we thank you so much for watching.